Hello and welcome to Nick's Maths, Week 1, Lesson 4. Mode, mean, median and range. Now all this week we've been looking at collecting data, asking statistical questions and representing that data on graphs. We've seen bar graphs and pie graphs and pictographs. Well, today we're going to look at mean, mode, median and range. And these are ways that we interpret the data on graphs. So, what are they? The mean is the average. And how do you find the mean or the average of a set of numbers? Well, what you do is you have your number set and you add it all together. And the total of that number set you divide by the numbers involved in the number set, or the numbers that make up the number set. And I'll show you an example of that later. What about the mode? Well, the mode is the number that appears the most within a number set or a data set. What about the median? Well, the median is as it sounds. It's the number that if you were to line the numbers up sequentially, in order, is the number that appears in the middle, right in the middle. It's called the median. And the range is the number that tells us the range of numbers. And how we find that is we take the smallest number from the largest number. Now, our learning intention today, we are working out how to correctly calculate the mode, the mean, the median, and the range of a data set. How do we know we've done this successfully? You know you've done it successfully if you can find the mean within a data set and explain how you came to that conclusion. If you can find the mode within a data set and articulate how you came to that conclusion. If you can find the median within a data set and explain how you came to that conclusion. And if you can correctly calculate the range of a data set. Some of the difficulties that you might come across while doing this exercise. There's other aspects of maths involved, and you might not be able to divide. And we need to divide simply to undertake this task. You might not be able to deal with the calculations. There's some takeaway, there's some addition, there's a little bit of division. So within the number sets, it might be too hard to do, but we're going to work on this together. And you might be confused that the median might not appear within the data set at all. The equipment you need a pencil, a rubber, a ruler, and a sheet of paper. The maths language that we're looking at today. Statistics, the collection and grouping of facts in number form. The information that's collected, well, that's called the data. The data set or number set, the numbers involved in making the calculations. Instructions. All right, watch the video attached. It hasn't got an explanation of range, but I've already explained that range is simply taking the smallest number from the largest number in your data set. And if you get stuck, you can watch my video at the start and pause it where you need some explanation. So your task today, I am giving you 5 number sets. And I want you to find the mean, the mode, the median, and the range of those number sets. Now we're going to do this in class, so if you want to wait until we do it in class, I'm quite happy for you to do that. If not, have a go at home and upload it to the Compass Learning Tasks. After you've done this exercise, you can ask yourself some questions. Do you know how to find the mean, the mode, the median, and range of a data set? If not, why not? What were some of the difficulties that you encountered? What other maths did you have to use in order to find out the answers? How do you know what you have learnt is correct? And once you've done all this, and you've done your 5 number sets and found the mode, mean, median, and range, upload it to the Compass Learning portal or attach it to an email and send it to me. Like I said earlier, we're doing this in class. We're doing it on Thursday. So you can wait and we can do it together. Because I know some of the division will be hard, but we are going into division and multiplication next. So it's a little stepping stone to help us on the way. So the mean, I said that I'd give you an example of how to find the mean. So here is a number set. We have 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 2, 7, 2. Now, the way you find the mean is you add the numbers together. And I've made them two separate sums because there was lots of numbers there. So I came up with 22 and 21. Then you add them together. That gave me 43. And in order to find the mean, then you divide the number, 43, by the number of numbers. And there are 10 numbers. So 43 divided by 10 gives me 4.3. And that's the mean of my number set. The mode. So here is my number set. It's 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 5, 7, 2. And the mode is the number that appears the most within my data set. And the number that appears the most is 5. And that's how you find the mode. The median. The median. You have to line the numbers up sequentially. So from the smallest to the largest. My number set lined up is 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7. And the numbers that are directly in the middle, there are two of them, are 4 and 5. So my median is 4 and 5. And the range. The range is probably the simplest to work out. The range is simply taking the smallest number, in my case 2, from the largest number, in my case 7, and coming up with 5. 5 is the range for this number set. Stay safe and look after one another and enjoy maths, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. No.